But he's loading up, mate. All good? Yeah. Let's go. Let's move on to Rajasthan, mate. See you later, brother. Yes, man. See you later, Manali. Yeah. See you next year, mate. Bertie boy. Got a little dabber on our way with Bertie. Quality, mate. I'm deaf. Can't hear a thing. I'm blocked up ear holes. I'm doing my nutting. Hold on, me and Bertie in the dark. Can't really see as well. But we're here. Hold on, if I've got some brightness settings on here. Hold on. I'm sure I've got some settings on it. I know, because it's on this camera looking towards so I don't have all the tech.
I wonder if you know this one.
Ow! You Bertie boy! Look. I'm a fucking idiot. Yeah, what? There's Bertie!
Oh, just about.
Feeling a bit rough, mate. Fucking hell.
And fucking slipped.
Found the gas station. Gonna try and book the train now. Look at the old Indian flag there, Bertie. Look, big one. Me and Bertie in Chandigarh on the rooftop with a vest on, just watching the sun setting over the city of Chandigarh, waiting to head on to Jaipur. There he is. Good Bertie boy, Chandigarh and a tuk-tuk. Coming back from the shopping mall, just went and had a proper tourist McDonald's. Like a couple of fucking disgusting, mate. But still, it's better than nothing, mate. And a cappuccino and Birt had a smoothie. And this is Chandigarh, nice and clean. Alright. Me and Bertie, I made it to Chandigarh, cleanest, beautiful city in India, and we managed to stay in the shittest area. There's our street. Oh, fuck yeah, now what? Fuck it just looks like Delhi. There's Bertie. Here's our hotel. Bert. Making a video, oh it is. There's Bertie, we're in Chandigarh, baby. Look, I've got the kettle boiling behind me. Yeah, I don't need you to make the tea. Doing it myself, ain't I? Fuck's sake. You know what I mean? Sick. That's a bit good, isn't it, but reception.
Fucking cunt.
Alright. Bertie boy, on our way to the train station, going to Jaipur now. Bertie's all backed up.
No, can't move.
Can't move, mate. No, got a little tuk-tuk, little electric one. Taking us around the Chandigarh station. had a day in Chandigarh because we were feeling rough.
Just don't want to put this fucking rucksack on again. That's why I got it on now.
About his train. Down at Chandigarh station, going to Jaipur. There's our carriage over there. Bertie boy made it onto the old sleeper, and up in the old roof section. Alright, mate. Happy days. Back up, Bertie. No, we're going to have a chai and something to eat first, and then tuk-tuk. No, not yet, no. Bertie boy, we're at Jaipur now. Fucking making our way down the platform, get out of the fucking station, go and get aggro by all the cunts. Oh, fucking hell, it's working. That family didn't take it, they don't know how to use it. And Bertie had a pucker little sleep on the train, woke up like a couple of times through the night, and then woke up at 5 in the morning. How
much for room?
How much for room?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
How much for room?
We're in Jaipur, yeah, Bertie. Oh, hold on, why can't I see you? It's so dark. Fucking hell, Bert, that's better. Ah, there he is. Our driver. There he is. Me and Bert living the dream. Jaipur, but we both got a cold, so proper blocked up. Bit shit really. Like fucking bags, like fucking Aldi bags. Bert's got fucking Tesco's bags. We've got a ginger honey lemon coming. I don't think that's going to solve it though. You know, it's like the all Indian remedy, isn't it? You say, well, I've got a cold. They go ginger honey lemon. You drink one, don't do nothing, does it? You still got a cold. Ah. No, there ain't. No. I'll tell you what will help it though, getting my package. Right, boy.
It's me.
That's Bert. Isn't it, Bert? Up in our little den.
No. Yeah.
And then Bert at the old hotel here, Peacock Inn. Peacock Hotel, Pearl Palace.
Fucking tuk-tuk drivers.
It's driving us fucking crazy, ain't they? Hello, Baya.
Hello.
Oh, they make you crazy here, no?
Yeah.
Ah. Right. Me and Bertie. Look, that's a clothes shop, isn't it? Yeah.
2 kilometres.
Me and Bert sitting on the roof, Jaipur. I've just ordered a bit of breakfast. Have a look, mate. It's only American pancakes with egg and ham and syrup and butter. Cold coffee. Got the local artisan artist there doing a little bit. Hello, dog. Dog on the roof. Is that your car, is it? Taxi? Taxi? 100 rupees, train station.
Oh, yeah.
It's alright, isn't it, Bert?
Alright. Yeah.
Me and Bert ain't very joyful today.
No, I am.
I haven't got a lot to shout about.
I'm happy as a pig in shit, mate.
Alright, boss? Me and Bertie leaving. See you later, boys.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Thank you for everything. Lovely. Thank you. We'll give you 5 stars.
5 star.
Station. 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 Train station, yeah. ठीक है? कितना?
100 rupees.
How much?
100.
Fuck. 50? Come on in, 100, fuck it. Come on,
Come on then, let's do it.
come on, boy. Ah, yes.
Wait for you to come back.
Bertie, we're leaving Jaipur, going all that poor and Bazaar now. You don't fuck about, mate. Leaving Jaipur, on our way to Udaipur now. No tension, right?
9:30, we are friends.
Yeah. Bertie sitting in the chair. On our way to Udaipur now. Pulling out the fucking Jaipur, ain't we? We don't fuck about, mate. You know what I mean? Got a cold, feel good, blocks up ears. And we don't give a fuck. Because we don't fuck about. Bertie. Oh, Bert.
Fine.
AC chair train, mate. All good?
Mate, first class.
On the train. We don't feel too good. But we want to wait all night for feeling poorly. Right. Sitting on a train. Got Domino's pizza. We don't fuck about, mate. Look, Bertie over there, he's had a slice. Right. Sitting on a train, mate. Domino's pizza comes around. Cheese and onion. Can you believe it?